Words starting with E, Primary 1 Phonics, Unit 3, Sound 1. Key words, 關鍵字，字母 letter， 元音 vowel， 英文拼音 English phonics。E, The letter E makes the sound 34% of the time. Is the most common sound for E. The letter E with the sound Elbows, and these are elbows hitting each other. Elephant, exit, engine. This is an engine. Cars have engines. Elk. This is an elk. It is a very big type of deer. Elf. Egg. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye.